This is the start of the first race, Frank Beeling versus Craig Bilodeau. It appears that Frank is on the blue boat.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Both boats good at 4 minutes. Blue boat is in. Come on in and driving to port. You're getting dangerously close to my transom. I don't like this situation.
Well, yeah, but I've still got room to go either way.
Yeah, that's my problem. I can't tack now. Probably can't even drive. I'm afraid you have me in the controlling position. I'm the lucky guy. On starboard, and I'm lured. Oh, I got lucky there.
Actually, you did a good move.
Bearing away. Nope, left and back up. I need to do something.
9, 8, 7, 6.
I think you're going to be in trouble.
I am in trouble. Yeah, no, I got a little room here. Bearing away now. Can I drive? Not enough room to drive. I managed to get lured of you though. And I'm sailing on out in front again. Bearing away. Left and back up.
God, heck with it. I'm going to go for the start and leave you behind.
Okay.
Judge's boat, go ahead.
Blue boat wins the start by 4 boat lengths, 5 boat lengths.